Hello everyone, this is Revati for Cat Scrappiness. Today I'm introducing the Jack-O-Lantern Pumpkin Shaker die. This die set comes with everything that you will need to create your pumpkin-shaped shaker cards. There are so many elements to this die set. The largest pumpkin you see here measures around 3 by 3.5 inches. It is big enough to create a beautiful focal point for a standard A2 size card front. The other elements include the spooky faces to create our jack-o'-lantern, which would be perfect for any Halloween themed cards. We also have three little maple leaves and some of those twig-like cutouts, along with the stalk of our pumpkin, which would be perfect for your fall projects. Not just a shaker card, but you could also create beautiful card backgrounds or even window cards using the big pumpkin shaped die. These are high quality metal dies compatible with most of the die cutting machines. You could cut out the elements on plain white cardstock and add color of your choice, or you could use them on colored cardstocks too. Well, here is a shaker card that I created using this beautiful die set. I used the creepy and quirky pattern paper and the spooky boo die, both by Cat Scrappiness. For the shaker bits, I used the little pumpkin sprinkles and some confetti sequin mixes. For more information on this product and to purchase it, you can visit the link in the description box below. Until next time, stay safe.